Hi. Today on Talking Timepieces, Cheap Watch Choices, we're looking at the Ulm, a unique designer, the Ulm model 9525, men's watch, analog, black leather strap, 3 subdials, as it's described in Amazon's listing. This watch is $18.95. Okay? So the shipping is another $9. So I paid half again as much for the watch itself just for the shipping. As you see, they spared no expense on the packaging. No expense at all. Hey, there's a tag in there. So we've got a little bit of a barcode description. Ulm 9525, made in China. And here it is. So there we got the tag. It says Ulm, and this is about all the documentation you're going to get. Ulm, a unique designer. I'll give them that. And not even a price or barcode. It's just Ulm stamping. So I saw this and I thought, oh my goodness, how corny is this with the hinge? And it doesn't look bad with the hinge. It's kind of cute. I don't know if I would wear something like this on a daily basis, but this is definitely in the realm of a novelty watch to go to a garden party or something with, or you go to your friend's house and you're all hanging out and you're all watch guys and you show up with this on your wrist and everyone will have a laugh. It's got they've spared no expense with the packaging. They've got the little buffers to keep you from running. Let's push all the pushers in and see if everything runs. And with its 3 subdials, it's arguably a good beater travel watch. I'll tell you what, you fly through any airport with this and the thieves will definitely leave you alone. But you'll know what time it is in 3 different time zones. As far as the presentation goes, this is obviously not a steel case. You could tell by the way it's rounded, where the pits are, and the entire shape and finish of the case. And it says stainless steel back right here. Don't throw it in the trash. So when it says stainless steel back, 90% of the time, the rest of the watch is made of another material, probably brass, plated brass or something like that. But I thought it was a very wild presentation, and I thought, what the heck, let's take a look at it. According to the description, it has a Japanese quartz movement with an analog display and a unique square dial face. I don't know if it's very unique, but it definitely is interesting looking. And it's called Sport Leisure Style. Very comfortable to wear. Free buckle. Oh, so they include the buckle as part of the package, and it's engraved with Ulm on it. Ooh. But this is a really funky piece. Let's throw it on the wrist and see what it looks like. Wristwatch check. I'm wearing my Mito Ocean Star. It's the Ocean Star Chrono, which is actually a really, really nice watch, and I've got a review on it on the channel. All right, so let's put this on. I've got an 8.5 or so inch wrist, and this just fits without looking too stupid. You would only be able to get away with this with a big. Well, I guess because of the hinge, you could probably get away with it on another wrist. But for $20, you could do worse. And as I was saying, it wouldn't be a bad travel beater. Nobody's going to mug you for this watch. So that was the Ulm 3-dial sports watch. Thanks for watching. If you like the show, please like and subscribe, tell your friends, and check out some of our other shows on the channel. Thanks.